just arrived here in Randy and I'm going to start the trek. The tower on top of me, and on the other side we have this beautiful, and the thing is while walking here there weren't so many people, even though it's Sunday and it's a really nice day. There were some people but not a lot, so it was really a nice walk. Being here surrounded with all this beautiful nature really makes me appreciate all that we have here in Malta. And I think that it's really important that we find time in order to be in a quiet place. For me, being here, listening to the sound of the waves crashing in the rocks is really peaceful and quiet. And I think it's important that we find some time that we just relax. And we are just on our own with our own thoughts. If you watched till the end, thank you for watching and hope that you enjoyed it. I plan to release a new video every week, so make sure to subscribe.